quality. High sound quality. So here it is. I will pick any video. Okay, I will pick this. Tower of Misery. Okay then. Okay. I don't want to pick this video, okay? Because I took it in real life language. Okay, I will take this one. I just use my voice. I don't want to hear the record voice because it's too noise, too loud sound. Okay, you will just go to the volume and then just like it. I don't do the whole quality sound anyway, so anyway I use CapCut. Okay, just search CapCut. Okay. Okay. Just go there. Okay, one more time. I said go to edit and then go to the volume. You see the volume, then you click it to the volume, okay? Okay, done. That's it for today's video. By the way, this is a request from Juliana Flores. Okay, bye!